Everyone is looking for the recipe for these chicken rolls. Cut the chicken breast into slices. Beat the meat until soft, season to taste. Mix diced canned mushrooms in a bowl with a grated carrot. Finely chopped parsley, grated mozzarella, and cheese. Season with salt. Place a spoonful of filling on the meat slices. Melt butter in pan. Roll the meat into tight rolls. Fry the rolls for 2 minutes on both sides. Shape some trays from the aluminum foil. Place the meat rolls in the improvised trays. Bake for 15 minutes. Sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Bake for another 10 minutes.